Paano mo napapanatiling tahimik ang isip mo kahit sabay-sabay ang gulo sa business, pamilya, at goals?
That's actually a tough question, especially for ambitious leaders na gusto lagi nag-grow. And ako, napapanatili ko yun is through my habits. As much as possible, I meditate every morning. Tapos, nag-exercise din ako. And also learning. Tapos sa gabi, I do journaling and calendar method. First of all, sa isang visionary na katulad ko, hindi na tatahimik yung isip ko. On how do I be sane? Number one is, I really do meditation every morning. It keeps my thoughts from being cluttered. Mas nagiging focus ako. Pangalawa, ang laking tulong ng working out talaga. Kasi whenever I work out, may something na nare-release siya sa akin. And during workout, mas nakakapag-isip din ako ng mga bagong way on how to do things. Tapos yung patuloy kong pag-aaral. And yung pag-aaral ko, it's not always about reading books. Sometimes it's about being on an experience. O kaya minsan it's watching a movie. O kaya minsan it's just scrolling on TikTok. Yung utak kasi natin, para siyang heat signal minsan. Lagi siya maghahanap ng paraan on how to solve the current challenge. And sa gabi, I do journaling. Kung ang reflection kung anong nangyayari sa akin. So far, yun yung mga nakakatulong sa akin, yung habits ko na yon to keep me grounded sa iba't ibang parts ng buhay ko. Either it's company ko, in the purpose that I'm doing, in the relationships around me, with my family, with my wife, etc. So, I believe yung mga habits nakakatulong sa akin to keep me aligned, at the same time productive and still happy with the journey.